Hey guys, it's Kim here. Welcome to my channel. Today we'll be doing an unboxing video from Vee&Co. I was actually looking on Amazon for a new jewelry box, and at the same time I was checking my DMs on Instagram, and this company called Vee&Co reached out to me and asked me if I wanted a jewelry box at the same time, and they just so happened to have the same style of jewelry box that I was looking for. My jewelry collection has grown a little bit from the last time I talked about my jewelry years ago, and I needed more space for my jewelry. But yeah, if you guys are interested in Vee&Co, the link would be down below in the description box. I did get this product for free, but my opinions and stuff is all mine. Anyways, let's go ahead and unbox the jewelry box. So obviously this is a pinky jewelry box because everything I own needs to be pink. If this sofa could be pink, I'd probably make it pink. So I actually got this on Amazon, and it's on Prime as well. They had different style jewelry boxes, and this is one of the larger ones. I think it's good to have a big jewelry box for things that you don't really use too often, or maybe the more valuable stuff, and a small jewelry box for your everyday jewelry. Oh my god, the box is so freaking cute. It's in a Tiffany blue box. Let's take a look. Oh my god, and it comes in this own bag right here. It's almost like a luxury bag. And there's another plastic baggie. This shade of pink is pretty similar to my makeup bag, so I think this matches pretty nice. Alright, I'm gonna give you guys a more close-up shot of everything because we're here for the jewelry box and not me. So I'm glad that Vee&Co had the jewelry box style that I wanted. What I liked about this one is it's kind of the perfect size. It's not too big, it's not too little, and when you have an overly big one, it's kind of hard to find a spot for it in your house, and this is just the perfect size. I think this is sealed right here, so you have to open it up. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Alright, let me zoom out a little bit so you can see it a little bit better. My desk is a mess. I'm so sorry. So it has these gold accents right here, which is really pretty. Oh, is this a jewelry cloth that it gave you? Oh, is this a jewelry cloth? That's nice. It's a nice little surprise gift right there. Put it back there. So this looks almost like a hidden compartment for your jewelry. Silica gel. So you have one drawer here and another one right here. Oh, this one's nice and roomy. There's a big compartment right here. You can put your bigger jewelry right here. Just more packaging. You can put stuff right here, and this is a nice amount of slots for your rings right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Jewelry might go back here, or maybe necklaces. I can imagine putting a watch here as well. I think it'd be a nice gift for someone that you'll be gifting for this Valentine's Day. Honestly, every girl I know needs a jewelry box, and they don't even know it. A lot of my friends, they just store their jewelry just in a box, a random box or something. So if you were to gift a girl this, they would definitely love it. So here's the handle right here. Oh my god, I just can't get over this pink. It's so cute. I don't know if you guys can see the mirror, but yeah, there it is. I don't want to show my reflection. I look terrible right now. So it's velvet on the inside right here, including the drawers. I really love the gold accents. I know I already mentioned, but it's just so pretty. I don't think I've shown you the back, but the back looks like this. I guess I didn't really think to show you. But the bottom is black, which is convenient because you don't want the bottom to get dirty. The only thing I wish this jewelry box actually had was maybe the ability to open up these sides right here. But at first I thought you could actually open these up on the side, but you actually can't. If you guys are interested in Vee&Co, the link will be down in the description box. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Be sure to watch my previous video. And if you guys don't know yet, I've been streaming on Twitch almost daily. So be sure to check me out on there. I'm at Twitch at Kimmycups. Thank you for watching. Bye.